Happy birthday to me. Thank you to coaches Ryan and Remo for gifting this cake for me. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty cake. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. So nice.
Wow, but this. Wow.
Thank you. A gift. And then today I also received this. So thank you so much for giving me these advanced birthday gifts. Tikman natin yung cake.
Wow!
Yummy. Strawberry. Yummy. I told the guards downstairs, bibigyan ko sila ng cake. I'm gonna slice it from this side and give it to them. Received a lot of gifts yesterday from my friends, and they gave me so much stuff. There's candle, there's mint, there's paintings. Happy birthday, birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Yay! Happy birthday! Nice, thank you. Dear Ate Grace, thank you very much for connecting me with many people like YMC. Most importantly, you encourage me to stay positive. You are so kind and thoughtful. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to all my gifts. Giftsy. Advanced birthday gifts. Wow, thank you. Wow, thank you so